surface area of cone, draw the cone, curve surface pi r l, the base is pi r square, the slant height we are saying l, the total surface area pi r square plus pi r l, that means pi r when you are taking outside r plus l. Right? Now we'll do one sum. Draw a cone, radius I giving 7 centimeter, the slant height is 15 centimeter. Okay, try the question. Find the total surface area of cone. Given cone. Find the total surface area of given cone. So the total surface area A equal pi r r plus L. That's a factorized formula I given. So we'll substitute pi 22 over 7. The radius of centimeter. Inside bracket, 7 centimeter plus 15 right? 22 over 7 into 7 r by r plus inside r plus, right? Cut the 7 and 7. Then area equal 22 centimeter into multiply, add this to 22 centimeter. Here 22 over 7 pi r, that is outside. Inside the bracket 7 plus 15. The total surface area find is 27 and 7 you can chop, then 22 centimeters, 7 plus 15 also 22. When you are multiplying, 484 square centimeter. 484 multiply and see. 4, then 484 square centimeter. Okay. Write this example then. This is surface area, total surface area. So directly you can substitute when they ask in total. Actual formula is for A equal pi r square plus pi r L. This is the total surface area, students. By factorizing, I got another formula. Because then after factorizing, students, here pi you can substitute one time. Then easy to simplify. That's what I okay. Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Attends. Yeah, make fast then. Okay, students, understood?
Done, sir.
Right. Right. Another question then. Draw this cone. Draw the cone. 3.5 centimeter, 21 centimeter. The radius 3.5 centimeter and 21 centimeter is 21 centimeter. First question, find the area of the base of given cone. Find the area of base of the given cone. Find the area of base of the given cone. Second question, find the curved surface. Sorry, find the area of curved surface. Third question, find the total surface area. First question, find the base area of the cone, given cone. Second one, find the curved surface of the cone. That means the area of the curved surface. Third one, find the total surface area. Right? Right. First we'll find the area of the base. That is 2 pi r square. Then pi 22 over 7. Yes, I gave 3.5. As a fraction student, you can write 7 over 2. That is easy to simplify. Right? We are not finding is here totally. 22 over 7, radius 3.5 mean, then as a fraction, we can write 7 over 2. Right? 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Then 7 to 3 and a half, 7 over 2. Now you can simplify this 7 and 7 by 2 here 11. 11 into 7, 77 centimeter over 2, 38.5 square centimeter. right? Then second question, curve surface pi r L, pi 22/7, radius 7/2, L 21. Cut the 7 and 7. 22 by 2, 11 into 21, 331 square centimeter. Right, see once again, the first question, base, then only pi r square, 22/7, radius 3.5, we convert it into 3 over 2, from the 7 and 7, 22 divided to 11, 7 over 8.5 is the area of the base. Then the second question, curve surface, that is pi RL, 22/7, pi 7 over R 7 over to L. L is the slant height 21. Right, cut the 7 and 7. 22 you can divide by 2, 11. 11 into 21, 331. The third question, total surface area. Then no need to use the formula, students, now for the third one. Add 35 plus 300 and so 231 square centimeter. Then your answer what? 269.5 square centimeter. Understood? What else? If you have doubt, you can
Understood,
ask.
sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Chalani? Mark? Okay, copy down the students quickly. If you have a doubt, students ask. Some are coming with the phone, don't have proper profile. So I can call it all. Bethany also there, Bethany. Brittany, right over. Copy down, students. If you have doubts, ask. Okay, students. Shall I write the board? Right, now the base radius 18 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now I am giving the perpendicular height of the cone. 15 centimeter. Draw this diagram for the second one. For the next example. Base radius 8 centimeter. And the height, perpendicular height of cone, not the slant height, perpendicular height. Okay, students. The first question, find the slant height of the cone. Okay, I gave the perpendicular height and base length. Base. I didn't give that data to write. I mentioned in the diagram.
Sir, what is the first question?
Okay. First question, find the slant height of the cone. Find the slant height of the cone. Find the slant height of the cone. Second question, find the curved surface of the cone. Now the slant height, students. First one. See, this is the slant height L. So there is a right angle triangle formed. This is L. If you are use, this is 8 centimeter, here 15 centimeter. Sorry, yeah, 15 centimeter. We should find the L. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse side, the length, sorry, the square of hypotenuse side equal sum of other two sides. The square of hypotenuse side is equal sum of square of other two sides. That's what are the other two sides? One is 15 and other one 8. Then L square equal, here directly I am writing 15 square plus 8 square. We are finding the slant height. Then only you can find the curved surface. The question second one, curved surface. By using slant height, you can find the curved surface. How to find the slant height? Directly I didn't give like earlier one. I given the perpendicular height of the cone and the radius, base radius. So use Pythagoras theorem, L square equal 15 square is 225. 8 square is 64. Then L square equal, add these two, 289. Then L equals square root of 289. Then L equal 17 centimeter. What is the answer? 17 centimeter. Then after that we can find the second question, pi r L. Curved surface is pi r L. Second question, pi r 2207 8 centimeter into 22/7, radius 8 centimeter, and the slant height only we are taking, not 15, 17 students. So here you can't divide the 8 or 17 by 7. So multiply 22 into 8 into 17. Multiply and tell the answer for me. Can you tell the answer? Multiply and tell value. Anyone? 22 multiplied by 8. Then by 17. What is the answer, friends? Question 22 by.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Find, multiply and tell the answer. 22 by 8 by 17. 2992.
92.
990. 7. Well, divided by 7. 427 two decimal places you can divide. Okay, this is the surface area of curve, surface area of cone. What is the answer, students? 427.2. 22. Now, the 8 and 17 you can't divide by 7. So, we are using multiplication, then finally dividing by 22 into 8, 166, multiplied by 17, 2,992. Divided by 27.42 square centimeter. 2 decimal place enough. This is the answer, students. Only for the curve surface, not finding any others. Understood? Okay. Right, very good. The next question, students, write it. The area of curved surface of a cone, the area of a curved surface of a cone Can we not? 1222. 1122 square centimeter. Find the radius of it when the slant height is 27 centimeter. So 21 centimeter. Again, I am reading the question. The curve area of the curved surface of a cone 1122 square centimeter. 1122 square centimeter. This is the curved surface phi r L. Find the radius of the cone base, or find the radius of the cone when the slant height of the cone is 21 centimeter. When the slant height of the cone is sorry student here 924, small mistake. The 924 centimeter square. Right? So directly we can substitute. Now I gave the slant height is 21 centimeter and the curved surface is 924. So we have to find only the radius. So in this formula only we have to substitute. Then pi r L. Pi r L equal 924 square centimeter. Pi 22 over 7. Radius you have to find. The slant height is given 12 centimeter equal 924 square centimeter. Right? Now simplify the 7 and 21, 3. Then 22 into 3, 66 R equal 924. R equal 924 divided by 66. Divide and get the answer. See once again, I given the curved surface of the cone, right? And the length, the slant height also given 21 centimeter. We should find the radius, right? Then pi r L, that is the curved surface, equal 924. Then 22 over 7 into radius r into 21 slant height. Then 21 divided by 7, 3. 3 into 22, 66 r equal the curved surface 924. Taking this 66 other side and dividing, r equal 924 divided by 66. And write it and get the answer. And tell the answer what answer given.
Sir, 14 centimeter.
Yes. Radius 14 centimeter. Radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, students?
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Right. Another question, similar question. The curved surface of cone. What about others? Everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right? Then write the question. The curved surface of a cone, the area of curved surface, the area of the curved surface of the cone, the area of curved surface of the cone, 230 centimeters. IRL, 231 square centimeter. And the radius is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Find the first question. Find the slant height of the cone. Second question. Find the perpendicular height of the cone. First question. Find the slant height of the cone. Second one. Find the perpendicular height of the cone. I do the sum. Can you do? But
Yes, sir.
first question is L. Second question H. H means perpendicular height. Try these questions. I will give few minutes and send the answer to the chat box.
Recording in progress.
Let me find the answer first. Once phi r L equal 231, pi 22/7, radius 3.5, I'm writing as a fraction 7/2. How it's possible? 3.5 means 3.5. Then 2 into 3, 6, plus 1, 7/2, improper fraction. That is only we are writing. Easy to simplify because the 7, 22 by 2 you can do, 7 and 7 you can chop. L equal 231. 7 and 7 I divided. 22 divided by 2, 11. 11 L equal 231. L equal 231 divided by 11. Then what is the slant height? What is the slant height you got, students?
21 centimeters.
21 centimeters.
21 centimeter. Right? 21 centimeter. Right. What is the next part? The curves, the perpendicular height. Then you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Shall I write this part, students, on the top? Right? Pi r Pythagoras theorem. Sorry, pi r will be used for find the length, slant height. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, this is we have to find height and base 3.5. Here you found what? 21. Then h square plus 3.5 square equal 21 square. Right? Right now, h square equal plus 3.5 square, 12.25 I think, equal to 441. Right, h square 3.5 into 3.5, multiply and see. 25 by 5, 2 balance, 15, 17, 15 balance 1, 3 into 3, 9, 10. 10 2 balance 1, 12, 12.25. Right? Now take that 12.25 and reduce it. H square equal 441 minus 12.25. Right? We'll reduce and check. Right? 441.0, then 12.25. 75. Borrow 1, 11 minus 2. 5, 7, 11 minus we gave 1, 10 minus 2, 8. Right, students? Here 2, 428.75. H square equal 428.75. Right? Borrowing 1, then 0, 5. Here's 9 minus 2, 7. Here 0. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 3 minus 1, 2. And 428.75. Then we have to find the square root of it. 428.575. 428.5. Sorry, 28.75. Now the grade 10 we studied the division method. So little I am explaining that. Right? Look at the board a little. By two digits we have to divide by using 2875, right? We will divide it by 4. 2 into 4. First we have to divide the 4. Square number. Then closest square number is 4. Then 2 into 2. Sorry, 1. 4 we can, 2 into 2. 4. Remaining 0. Put this 28 to 4. Don't know whether you can remember This is second lesson in the finding square root. Right? 4. Then 4 is 2 into 2, 4 balance 0. Directly writing 2 digits. Already 0, no use. Then 28, 2 digits. Directly we are writing. Twice of this 4, 2 we have to write 4. Right? Then here in 28 we have to put this number here. We have to put one number here. Then 28 you can't find 1. At least minimum 40 means 1, 4. We can't use 1. Then 0 is the answer. 0, 14 into 0, again 28. Keep the point here. 75 you have to write. Last time explaining, this is already all studied. Now twice of 20. Here you have to substitute twice of 20, 40. Then here you have to write the suitable digit. The same number you have to write it here. Then 2,875, 40. Here you have to write one digit. You can substitute here. Check 28 how many 4? 7 times. Then we'll substitute 7 and check. 407. Here 57, here also 7. 7 into 7, 49. 7 into 4, 28. Yes, it is coming. So here also 7. If it's more than this value, you can write this value, right? Then 6. This is already done. 7. Once again, I explain civil students. When you are finding the square root of a number, 2 digits separate. Then here 75 already there are 2 digits. Here 28 and 4 separate. Then close a square number or 4 is a square number. 4 is 2 into 2, 4. Balance nothing. Then directly you are writing 2 digits, 28. Twice of 2 here we are writing. Okay. Here single digit value only we should write. Then 0 to 9 any numbers you can write. If you are writing valuable digit 1, 41 into 1, 41. So you can include the 41 in 28. Then 0 only suitable. Then 0 means here also 0. 40 into 0, 0. Then 28 minus 0, 28. Keeping a point. Then taking 75 together, the decimal state we are giving, taking 78, sorry, now 2875. Twice of 20, 40. Then 2875 we are going to divide by some number. Then for that I am doing one method following. Checking in 28 how many 4? 7 times. Then we are checking by the 7. Here also we should write the 7. 7 into 7 49. Then 0 balance 4. 7 into 4 28. Right. Then this one value is less than 2875. Sometimes if it is more than 75, then you have to use in this place 6, here also 6. Okay, then final answer 20.7. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Students?
Understood.
Because this is grade 10 syllabus, again I explained for you all. Little bit. Okay, write it quickly. Finish writing, students? Most probably, students, this type of question they will include with the exam. Right?
Done, sir.
Okay. So students, today I am going to end the class. So we'll do in next class. So good night. Have a nice week. Go
Thank you,
ahead.
sir.
Next week
Good
we'll
night,
meet.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good
Good
night.
night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night.